In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the installation of ridge cap shingles at hip and ridge intersections. First, work your way up the hip to the top from both directions. Starting with one side, install ridge cap shingles up the hip and over the intersection. Trim the shingle along the center line. Then, from the other direction, lay ridge cap shingles over the first layer, nail in place, and trim. Finally, install one shingle over both layers, centered with the intersecting ridge. Cut a small line down the middle of the black part of the shingle to help it better conform to the shape of the roof. Continue with installation across the ridge. Be sure to check out more GAF Pro Series installation videos. Good luck!